In this video, I will show you a new and trending way to create Hindi stories. We'll also explore the earnings of some channels to highlight the potential. Let's get started. First, take a look at a channel with over 71K subscribers that has uploaded only 52 videos. Let's check their earnings. It's amazing. They make anywhere from $813 to over $13,000 per month, which is a substantial amount, considering they're only uploading stories. Now, there's another channel with 882K subscribers, and it looks like they might cross the million mark soon. They are also making a comfortable income, ranging from $1.3K to over $20,000 per month. And they are also uploading stories. So let's get started. I've divided the video creation process into 4 simple steps. Step 1. Begin by opening ChatGPT and searching for any type of Hindi story. Wait for the story to complete, and once it's done, copy it for later use. Step 2. In the second step, we need a Hindi text-to-voice generator. There are various options available, but I'll use Mic Monster as an example. Go to the Mic Monster website. Select your preferred voice samples, paste your story, and click on Generate. Wait for the processing to finish, and then download the generated voice.
शांति की महत्वपूर्ण शक्ति एक छोटे से गांव.
Step 3. For the third step, open the Pexels website, which is excellent for finding free content videos. Once it's open, click on the video option. Search for the videos you need. Select them and download them to your mobile device. Step 4. Finally, in the last step, we'll use CapCut for video editing. Select your downloaded videos and the story voiceover. Arrange the videos to match the voiceover.
एक दिन की बात है.
And add some transitions to make it look stunning.
का काम सौंपा. घड़ी ढूंढ.
After you're done, save your video. Your video is now ready to go. That's it. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to ask.
एक दिन की बात है. एक किसान अपने खेत के पास स्थित अनाज की कोठी में काम कर रहा था. काम के दौरान उसकी घड़ी कहीं खो गई. वह घड़ी उसके पिता द्वारा उसे उपहार में दी गई थी. इस कारण उससे उसका भावनात्मक लगाव था. उसने वह घड़ी ढूंढने की बहुत कोशिश की. कोठी का हर कोना छान मारा, लेकिन घड़ी नहीं मिली. हताश होकर वह कोठी से बाहर आ गया. वहां उसने देखा कि कुछ बच्चे खेल रहे हैं.